Come on, smack it as hard as you can. Get a little jump on the way down. Good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's go. Smack it. Try to crack it open. You got 8 more seconds. Good job. Come on. Faster. 5 seconds. Nice. All right. Rest. All right. Slide on in there. Austin's up. Ready, set, go. Good job. Come on. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. There we go. 15 seconds, or actually 10 seconds now. Come on, come on, come on. Good job. Last 5 seconds. All right, rest. All right, Ryan's in. Left-handed. Ready, set, go. There we go. Good job. Looking good there. Looking good. As powerful as possible now. 10 more seconds. Let's go. 5 seconds. Get a couple more. All right, rest. All right, Austin's up. Left hand. Ready. Go. Let's go. Hit it. Hit it. Looking good. 10 seconds left now. 5 seconds. All right, rest. All right, Ryan's up.